The average person makes about $15 an hour at a job. But what if you could make $15 in just 15 minutes instead? Well, guess what? It's possible thanks to AI, and it's through selling something called online courses. You see, online courses are the perfect business model because once you create them, they bring in cash on autopilot. This means you can literally build your course business today and enjoy the rewards for years to come. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an entire online course from scratch using powerful AI tools, and how to sell it for a profit so you can finally start making that passive income you deserve. I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step game plan that anyone can follow, so stay tuned. Step number 1 is picking a profitable niche. It's important to choose a topic that's both in demand and something you can actually package into a structured course. Some great options include AI tools, personal finance, fitness, marketing, or productivity. For example, with AI tools, you could create a course on how to use ChatGPT for business or how to leverage Midjourney to create NFTs. There are so many different directions you could take this. But my favorite way is to use trends and data to identify high-demand niches and then create a course around those topics. Here's exactly how you do that. First, head to Freestock.com, where you can find popular search queries based on real user searches. Once you find a potential niche, check out the competition by searching for similar courses on Google, Udemy, and Skillshare. By doing this, you'll be able to tell not only if there's interest in the topic, but also how much competition there is. This helps you strike the perfect balance between demand and differentiation. Now, before we move on, make sure you hit that like button if you're enjoying this video. All right, now that you've got your niche, let's move on to step 2. Use AI to write your course content. Most people think creating an online course involves hours of filming, editing, and building websites. But AI can actually do most of that work for you. Start by heading to ChatGPT and entering this prompt. Create a 5-module beginner's course on your niche. Let's say I chose to make a course on print-on-demand dropshipping. Now ChatGPT will analyze your prompt and suggest a variety of titles to choose from. Then you can select the best ones and ask the AI to elaborate on each lesson with examples, exercises, and case studies. Not only will this save you tons of time, but you'll also get ideas you might not have thought of otherwise. That's what I love about using AI. It's almost like having a brainstorming partner, except it never gets tired or runs out of ideas. To really take advantage of this tool, try to be as specific as possible when creating your prompt. Instead of asking for a general course outline, try something like, create a 5-part video course on dropshipping, including an introduction, 5 main sections, and a conclusion. That way, you'll get a more detailed response tailored to your needs. Moving on to step 3, turn your scripts into videos. Now that you have all your content written out, it's time to create the actual videos. Luckily, you don't need to film or edit these yourself. Tools like Pictory, InVideo, Synthesia, or even Canva AI can generate professional-looking course videos in seconds. It's crazy how easy these platforms are. All you have to do is upload your script and choose a voice or AI avatar, and the software does the rest. My personal favorite is Synthesia because their avatars are so realistic. But if you want to save money, Canva and InVideo also offer similar features. Plus, they integrate directly with the next step, which is creating course materials. Canva is already one of the best design tools available, and it's gotten even better with the addition of AI. You can use prompts to create stunning images, text, layouts, and templates. Plus, Notion AI has some incredible features too. So if you haven't applied for access already, now's the time to do it. Simply create your lessons within your preferred platform and download the files as PDFs, worksheets, or slides. These extra resources will make your course look more professional and help students learn faster. Speaking of learning, there's one more thing you need to master, and that's selling your course online. That brings us to step 4. Before you get to the selling part, though, make sure you're getting the most out of Google. I'm talking about using tools like Google Forms to create surveys or quizzes for your students, Or how about Google Slides? You can use that to create engaging presentations for your course. You can even make interactive games to test your students' knowledge using Google Sheets. And don't forget about YouTube. You can leverage it to promote your course and reach new audiences. So many people underestimate the power of Google. So if you want to unlock its full potential, definitely check out this video right here. All right, now back to selling your course. When it comes to selling your course, you have two options. Option 1, you can host it on a platform like Udemy or Skillshare, which instantly gives you millions of potential students. But this option means you'll earn less money because the platforms take a cut of your profits. On average, Udemy takes 50% and Skillshare takes 10%. Option 2 is to use platforms like Teachable, Kajabi, or Gumroad, which are more expensive but allow you to keep more of your earnings. When it comes to pricing, consider the value of your course and your niche. Courses in more competitive niches tend to cost less, while those in premium niches can command higher prices. You could price your course at anything from $50 to $200. And even if you only sell 10 copies per month at $100 each, that's $1,000 per month, which is nothing to sneeze at. So now you've got your course created and set up, ready to go. But how do you actually start making sales? That's what Step 5 is all about. If you want to attract a large number of students fast, you can run ads using AI. That way, you'll always have fresh leads coming into your sales funnel. AI can write your ad copy, target the right audience, and analyze results to optimize your campaigns. Here's how to do it using ChatGPT. First, ask the AI to write ad copy for your course. Give it details about your target audience and value proposition to make the copy as effective as possible. Once you have your ad copy, you can start running targeted ad campaigns on various platforms. Here's an example of what you could input into ChatGPT. Write me a list of Google Ads search terms and ad copy for a course on how to create profitable funnels using AI. Target audience is beginners interested in learning how to use AI for business. You can use AI to create more than just Google Ads. For example, you can use tools like Jasper to create sales copy for your landing page. This will increase conversions and help you get more students enrolled. Or you can use Opus Clip to generate TikTok and YouTube shorts from your course content. Sharing clips on social media drives more people to your landing page, which ultimately leads to more sales. Let's quickly summarize everything you've learned in this video. First, you identified a profitable niche using Google Trends, Udemy Search, and Answer the Public. Then you used ChatGPT to create an outline, generate content, and write your lesson scripts. Next, you turned your scripts into videos and course materials using tools like Pictory, Canva, InVideo, and Notion. Then you set up your course on a platform like Udemy or Teachable. And lastly, you used AI to create compelling ads, target the right audience, and optimize your campaigns to maximize enrollment. Remember, if you want to crush it in this economy, you need to embrace AI. So don't wait any longer. The sooner you start taking action, the sooner you'll start seeing results. Now, before I wrap things up, I want to leave you with one final challenge. Comment below what course you would create using AI. We'll pick our favorite comment and send you a free gift. And if you made it this far, here's your bonus tip. Don't just stop with online courses. There's a whole world of AI side hustles waiting for you. So don't settle for just one source of income. Keep pushing, keep learning, and keep growing your wealth. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.